Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So today we're gonna take the Axial outside because it's snowing pretty good, and I'm gonna go for a little run in the backyard trail a little bit. Not too long of a video, but I want to test out the stock tires in the snow once again, but this time I'm gonna go through the trails. And I made a little change. I got rid of my little wimpy ultralight 3-cell battery and stuck in this 3800 milliamp NIM pack, and it's added some good extra weight. Just lifted it up here, let go, and it squats her down good, so that should give me some good traction, I'm hoping, and see how the stock tires do with actual weight on them, because that 3-cell lipo I'm running, I put it in there and it doesn't even budge the suspension, like not even a smidge. So it's almost like running with no battery at all. And so I thought I'd give these stock tires one more chance without change, because I don't have change yet, but just one more chance in this snow, because there's probably about 4 inches out there by now. And we had close to 3 inches on the last test I did. But I want to see how it does through the trail and how well it grips going across the creek and whatnot with this extra weight in there. And I still have some suspension travel, which is good, so that's all right. And so anyways, let's put this sucker together and go outside and see what happens. Looks like the creek froze over. One way or another, it's going up. If I can get it from this way. Oh yeah. Oh great. There we go. Oh, bringing a branch home. I guess now this is frozen over. I should be able to get right across here. Yep. Awesome. Oh, I'm not going to make it up that though. Nope. Come back the other way. You know, for 7.2 volt NIM pack, this thing is still pretty peppy. Oh, wipe out. Done. Gotta fix that. Come on. There we go. Oh. Yes, we're out of here. Woo! Wow, that was hell. So our creek is frozen over, which kind of sucks. I wish I could have gone through the water, but hey, it happens. It is winter, and this snow is really wet packing type snow, so that really doesn't help much either for getting up and down any of the little small hills for this thing. But I think it did pretty good with these tires, you know, other than a lot of fighting. But you know, the NIM pack is giving some extra weight, you know, and it's still got plenty of power. So I'm gonna let all this stuff melt away, and I'm gonna swap over back to the other tires I normally run in this stuff, my Red Cat / HSP tires, and we're gonna take them for a short run and see how well they do with this NIM pack in here, because we have the added weight, a lot more tread, wider wheelbase, and we'll see how it does in this snow. But yeah, that was a lot of fighting. Change certainly would have helped, yes, but I wanted to see, you know, with that extra weight on these tires in the snow, and it's not bad. It's a lot of fighting, you know, on those little inclines, but they worked okay. I still, not too fussy on them, but they do work, you know, really awesome on the trails in the summer and whatnot for grip. But anyway, well, let me know what you guys think, and sorry for the length of the fighting, but you know, if you're gonna try it, that's what you're gonna go through. So, you know, just to get back up the little hill there. So anyways, catch you on the next one.